Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to insert meta keywords in your Wix website. So let's get started. To begin, open your Wix editor on your laptop and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Wix website editor. Next, click on the Pages and Menu button, which is the third button from the top left. Here, you'll see all your site pages and menus. Choose the page where you want to add your meta keywords. After selecting your page, click on the three-dot icon next to it, and then select SEO Basics. Scroll down to find the meta description section. This is where you'll add your meta keywords. In this section, simply enter your meta keywords. You can also edit the title tag, which is the title that appears in search results. Additionally, you can update the URL slug, which is the last part of the link for the page. Once you've entered your meta description, click on Publish and Save at the top of the page. You've now successfully added meta keywords to your Wix website. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.